Wondolowski! Stephenson from distance, it's in the net! Khari Stephenson, the upper V! Lenhart, yes! Wondolowski, left foot off. Lenhart also, goal! Alex McLaughlin!
Still Dawkins. Lenhart throws her pass, Dawkins in the middle, and scores!
This is Corrales. Back to Empire Patakwan. The header, they score!
Ahead, Lenhart! Back of the net, goal, San Jose! Ball slides ahead, onside, Dawkins! Wondo, quick touch, goal, San Jose!
Long touch, Cameron trying to get there into the box. Stephenson lashes a volley. Are you kidding? Khari Stephenson.
Oh, Ramiro! The second goal of the match comes for the San Jose Earthquakes. Right for the service, it's Chris Wondolowski!
Now comes a knee, it's headed past him, and it's a goal. It's a hat trick for Steven Lenhart.
Dawkins! Yes!
Rocca. Stephenson shot, score! Wondolowski takes a touch. Can he finish? Yes, 1-0 Quakes.
Stephenson and Khari from a distance! Goal, San Jose!
Drop for Stephenson, the shot is there, blocked. It's alive, Lenhart is there, and it's 2-1 for San Jose.
And then a beautiful service! Goal, San Jose!
Empire Patakwan moves it in. They score! San Jose strikes.
Wondo brings it down and scores! Finisher sends it in, that ball's dangerous! Rafael Baca, his first in MLS!
Wondolowski, the flag stays down. Does he have another one in the cards? Wondolowski gives the Earthquakes the lead!
Stevenson on a bounce, look out, and it's a goal. Chris Wondolowski. Stevenson, Wondo! Goal, San Jose!
Gotta get one in the back of the net here soon.
And here's Beta short to the middle, and they have Alan Gordon streaking through. Ball sent in. They through. A goal. Convey sends it far past. Goal. Wow, Bobby Convey. So Don Wondolowski's tied the game. Dawkins, it's goal. Great individual play, Simon Dawkins.
Ring, strike, Nolly the save, back in the box, and it's in the back of the net. Wondolowski with a cheeky backflip.